So you want to use a Facebook group to grow your online business, but you're just getting started and need some help with how to grow it and to get more active, interested people into your group so that you can start making sales. Well, I am here to help you. Hey, it's Leah Ray from toddandleahray.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you 10 different ways that you can get more active members into your group. Now, if you're new to our channel, we created it to help you, online entrepreneurs, create the time freedom that you and your family truly deserve. So make sure to subscribe, hit the bell for notifications so that we can help you with that. Now, we're going to start with the simplest, lowest tech options and work up towards the more advanced options that are more leveraged and automated for getting people into your group. So let's start at the beginning. Growth option number 10, networking. This is likely to be done on Facebook. This is simply connecting with new people and inviting them to your group through a conversation. Of course, this isn't limited to Facebook. It can be done on really any other platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, but it can also be done in real life at networking events. There's really no tech skills needed, but it is time intensive and it requires one-on-one interactions. It is not unheard of for me to hear from folks that say they spend 12 plus hours a day networking on Facebook. Now, they're doing it for more than just getting people into groups, but still, all of that one-on-one interactions, it can be a total time suck. People who are doing this are joining groups that fit their niche or their target audience, providing value in the group, reaching out to talk to people one-on-one. They may also leverage the audience of a big Facebook business page, interacting on their videos or the lives and connecting with people from there. Once they have people in a conversation, they invite them to join their group. Growth option number 9, inviting people from your other social networks. So leverage any network that you have, that you've created anywhere, your personal Facebook profile, Instagram, Twitter, wherever, with a post inviting them to the group, letting them know what the benefits they will receive are for joining that group. Now, this is very low tech and it doesn't require much time, but how successful it will be for you really depends on the existing engaged audiences that you have elsewhere. Now, here is a simple Instagram story inviting our IG followers to join our Facebook group. And this is an example of a post I did on my Facebook profile to reach my personal network. Growth option number 8, feature a community member outside the group. This can be done anywhere, but the point is that people from outside the group will not only be learning about that person, but also what's going on in that group, and they can request access. You can do this through a post on your business page, Instagram story, tweet, Instagram post, blog post, video, wherever. This is low tech as it doesn't require any special setup and takes a small amount of time. Again, this option's success is dependent on having an engaged audience elsewhere, so it may have only limited results for someone just getting started. Growth option number 7, put a link to your group in your personal profile and use the rest of your profile information to direct people to the group. Our friend Jacob Karras does a great job of this. You can see what he's doing here, telling people to join the group, why they should join, adding the link to the group. This is very low tech. It doesn't take true tech skills, just editing your profile and sharing the link, and it takes very little time. The results will depend on how many people are checking out your personal profile. So this is a great complement to option number 10, networking. If you are actively connecting with new people on Facebook, more folks will likely be checking out your profile, see that, and join your group. Growth option number 6. Link your group to your Facebook business page so that people checking out your business page can find and join the group. In addition to just linking the group to the page, you can also direct people to it using the other info sections of your group. Low tech, just need to be able to navigate around your business page. You only do it once, so it doesn't require a lot of time. Now, how many people will join your group from this will really depend on what you're doing with your business page. How many people are checking out your page? So are you running Facebook ads or sharing really good content that's going to attract people's attention to your page? If so, this is a great option. Growth option number 5. Link to existing groups. If you are the admin of any additional groups, you can link those groups to the group you are looking to grow. Then people in the existing group can find and join the new group. While this takes very little time and is very low tech, it obviously requires that you have administrative access to an existing group, something you might not have. Growth option number 4, inviting through email. If you have an existing email list set up with an email autoresponder, you can occasionally send out an email directly inviting people to join your group. You can also add a short line inviting them to join the group in the signature of both your email autoresponder system and even in your regular Gmail or whatever email service you use, so that whenever you're sending emails, people are receiving that invitation. Additionally, if you have an email autoresponder, you can tell people through your welcome email whenever they opt in, that's that first email that they get. In that email, you can simply tell people that step 2 now is to join the group. This email option requires only a little bit of tech skill, as you have to set up your own email signature, and it will have more impact if you have an email autoresponder system in place and you're building an email list. But it's also low on time. It's an easy setup and it's set it and forget it. Growth option number 3. Promoting on your website. If you have a website or a blog, you can have a getting started section where you tell people to join the group, or you can create a sidebar widget to send them to the group. Obviously, this does require some tech skills. You need to have a website that's up and in place, and you need to be able to edit that website, though it is leveraged in terms of time, as it's a one and done type thing. Now, how many people you get into your group from this strategy, it's going to depend on how much traffic, how many people you have on your site. Growth option number 2, driving people to your group from a call to action or CTA from your content. If you are regularly creating content, which you should be if you want a stable, long-term online business, then you can tell people in your video or article to join your group and provide the link. Whether you are doing content on Facebook, LinkedIn, IGTV, YouTube, you can use any type of content to invite people to your group. While technically this is very low tech, as you just need to be able to provide the link to your group, it does require that you are regularly creating content, which in and of itself requires that you've learned some skills. But this may not require much time if you already have a content schedule down. Growth option number 1. Paid ads. You can definitely use paid ads to grow your Facebook group. And while you could really use any type of paid ads, Facebook ads will most likely make the most sense for you. You can do something as easy as boosting a post that tells people to join your group, or create a more complex funnel that has people joining the group as one of the steps. But this is very leveraged, as you can reach as many people as your budget allows. But it does require some skills to set up and to run the ads. Plus, it's going to require you to spend money. Now, for some help learning how to get great engagement and growth and start making sales from your Facebook group, click the video in the top right corner of your screen or at the top of the description. Watch that one next. Again, this is Leah Ray from toddandleahray.com, and I'll see you soon.